Very good morning, dear students. Today we will write one application. This application is regarding sick leave. When you are not feeling well, you can take a rest and send an application to the school. This application addresses to the principal. Especially here I would like to tell you that you have to write the application to the principal. Means you should not write application to addressing the class teacher, means to the class teacher. No, it's wrong. You have to write it to the principal. The application addresses to the head of the institution. Okay, so here's the application. First of all, you have to write the date. So we are writing on today's date, 11th July 2020. Okay, 11/7/2020. Then to the principal, KV Mungauli, Kendra Vidyalaya Mungauli. You can write also the full name, Kendra Vidyalaya Mungauli. Either you can write in short form. Okay, then comma, then MP Madhya Pradesh, then our pin code of that particular place. Okay, so our pin code is 473443. It's a pin code of Mungauli. Okay, then you can write the subject. Okay, then you can write the subject, application for sick leave. Either it may be application for urgent work, urgent piece of work, or something else. So you can write the application for sick leave. Then respected madam or sir. If you know that your principal is male, then you can write it respected sir. If your principal is female, then you can write it respected madam, comma, then with due respect, I beg to say that I am a student of class 3rd A or B. If you are a student of any class like 4th A or 8th A, okay, so I beg to say that I am a student of 3rd A of your school. Okay, only one section should be mentioned, one section and class. Okay, here I am mentioning two section so that you can mention it your section also, your section only. Okay, I beg to say that I am a student of class 3rd B of your school. I am suffering from fever since last night. I am suffering from fever since last night. When you are feeling ill, you have to mention the time. Okay, means from since when you are not feeling well. Okay, I am suffering from fever since last night, so I am not able to attend the school. So I am not able to attend the school. Then paragraph change. Therefore kindly grant me leave for 2 days. If I am writing this application on 11th July, then for 2 days means 11th July and 12th July. This application applies for 11th July and 12th July. Okay, therefore kindly grant me leave for 2 days. Here you can mention the date also if you want. Okay, means you can write it here, means you can write it here 11/7/2020 to 12/7 11/7/2020 to 12/7/2020. You can write it like here you can write it 2 days from 11/7/2020 to 12/7/2020. Okay, like this you can write it. Okay, I will be highly obliged to you. I will be highly thankful to you. Then thanking you, yours obediently student. Then you can write your name, then class, okay, then class, it may be third A or third B, then your roll number. Okay, now this is the application. Now we are moving to the Hindi version. Okay, to the principal, KV Mungawli, MP 473443, सेवा में प्रधानाचार्य और प्राचार्य, ओके, केंद्र विद्यालय मुंगावली, मध्य प्रदेश 473443, सब्जेक्ट मतलब विषय किस संबंध के बारे में है, एप्लीकेशन फॉर सिक लीव, एप्लीकेशन जो प्रार्थना पत्र है आपका सिक लीव, आपके बीमार होने के संदर्भ में है, अवकाश के लिए। ओके, रिस्पेक्टेड मैम और सर, आदरणीय सर एंड मैडम, और जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं महोदय और महोदया। ओके, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट आई बेग टू से दैट आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ थर्ड ए ऑफ योर स्कूल। विनम्र निवेदन है कि मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं क्लास थर्ड ए आपके स्कूल का छात्र हूँ। आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर सिंस लास्ट नाइट, मुझे कल रात से बुखार आ रहा है या मैं बुखार से पीड़ित हूँ, सफरिंग। ओके, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू अटेंड द स्कूल, इसीलिए मैं स्कूल नहीं आ सकता। देयरफॉर, इसीलिए काइंडली ग्रांट मी लीव फॉर 2 days, इसीलिए कृपया करके आप मुझे 2 दिन का अवकाश प्रदान करें। आई विल बी हाईली ऑब्लाइज्ड टू यू, ऑब्लाइज्ड मीन्स थैंकफुल, मैं इसके लिए आपका हमेशा आभारी रहूँगा। थैंकिंग यू, धन्यवाद। योर्स ओबीडियंटली स्टूडेंट, आपका आज्ञाकारी छात्र, ओबीडियंटली मतलब आज्ञाकारी, स्टूडेंट मतलब छात्र। आप आपका नाम लिखेंगे, योर नेम, क्लास मतलब आपकी कौन सी क्लास है, कौन सी कक्षा है, और आपका रोल नंबर। दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस एप्लीकेशन। थैंक यू।